Hello everyone, today I will show you how to sew a toddler polo shirt for ages 2 to 3 years old. Now, let's draft the neckline for our toddler polo shirt. First, mark the neck width at 2.4 inches. Next, measure down 2.5 inches for the front neck depth. For the back piece, we will mark a back neck depth of 0.8 inches. Curve these lines gently to create the perfect base for our collar. Next, let's mark the shoulder and bodice. Measure the shoulder width at 3.1 inches and then drop down 5.5 inches for the armhole depth. For the chest, mark the chest width at 7.1 inches. Now, draw the armhole curve smoothly. This ensures the perfect fit for our sleeves later. Taking your time here makes this easy toddler t-shirt pattern look professional. Finally, mark the total length at 16.5 inches and cut along the lines. Your DIY toddler polo shirt pieces are ready. Help our sewing community grow by hitting that like and subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for the global support. For the sleeves, mark the biceps width at 5.1 inches, biceps depth at 2 inches, sleeve length at 5.1 inches, and sleeve width at 4.3 inches. Now, draw an S-curve and cut along the lines to finish your DIY toddler sleeves. The total neck circumference is 13.4 inches. Use this measurement to draft and cut your polo collar pieces. This ensures a clean, professional finish for our toddler shirt. Mark 4.7 inches down in the middle of the front piece. Next, place your extra fabric here to create button placket. This is where we will attach our buttons later. Now, attach the collar to the neckline. Next, sew a small strip of fabric over the back to cover the raw seams. This gives our DIY toddler polo shirt a clean, comfortable, and professional inner finish. Now, we are going to attach the sleeves to the bodice. Make sure to align the shoulder seam exactly with the center point of the sleeve before pinning. Matching these midpoints perfectly ensures your DIY toddler shirt hangs beautifully and looks professional. Lastly, double fold the bottom hem and the sleeve hems, then sew. This completes our easy toddler polo shirt. If you want to see how to make the matching toddler shorts, click the link in the pinned comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.